Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin with news that Maxfield Avenue, St. Andrew was the scene of a fiery protest today as residents were livid about the shooting death of a teenager allegedly by the police. The Independent Commission of Investigations Indicom is probing the incident, which happened sometime after 1 o'clock. Residents say the teenager was in bed watching television when he was shot. TVJ's Kirk Wright visited the scene.
This is the room where residents say 16-year-old Ronaldo Smith was watching television when police barged in and shot him more than once. The small room is to the back of a house on Ramsey Road off Maxfield Avenue in St. Andrew. It's not where Ronaldo lives, but residents say he and his friends come here often to hang out. Ronaldo was a 10th grade student of the Charlie Smith High School. His mother is trying to understand why the police had to shoot her son.
No, I was in my house and they shot them boss. Them daughter come tell me say police kill Ronaldo.
Why do you think they might have shot him?
Well, them say one thing mad in the yard now. So them run come in and they don't ask no question, just start fire shot.
Ramsey Road residents described Ronaldo as a quiet child, one who is not involved in wrongdoings.
And him a chat and then look something there and he might tell me, and me I say, boy, my youth, if you want so and so, then you just go back to school and sort out where you need to sort out and get things together. And yeah, we have any little thing you want. Start from little, coming up. You have to creep before you walk, and then go something there. In humble, in silent, I want youth when there, so. He not say nothing if he not nothing to say, see me? He will just like there so, and if you not say something to him, he not say nothing. He come round when he ready, walk round, he always have his earphone and he listen to him music and then go something there, see me? And then nobody will trouble nobody.
Residents are adamant Ronaldo's killing is unjustified. In protest, they blocked Lower Maxfield Avenue. The fire department was called to assist with clearing the road. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, TVJ News did try to get a response from the police. We made contact with the Constabulary Communications Unit, CCU, and our news center was told that the matter is being investigated.